Microsoft's new chip could 10x your money in 2025. Stay tuned and let's have a look. Hey, it's Adam here, from my financial journey. Microsoft's dropped a quantum bombshell, the Majorana 1 chip. It's not just tech, it could be your ticket to millions. Let's unpack how. Stay tuned. What's Majorana 1? The AI game changer. What is it all about? This isn't an AI chip, it's quantum, built with a new state of matter. Quantum chips use qubits, not bits, so they process massive datasets exponentially faster. Think solving problems in minutes that take supercomputers billions of years. If the world is going quantum, should we be investing? My $500 to $5,000 plan, 3 steps. Step 1. $250 into Microsoft, $420 now, $500 plus if quantum hits. Step 2. $150 on IONQ, quantum stock, up 237% last year. Step 3. $100 in AI fintech, upstarts riding AI waves. By 2025, 5,000's in sight. Risks versus rewards, quantum truth. Quantum's untested, MSFT could dip to $400, IonQ's volatile. But $200 or $300 for NVDA's real, $600 to $900. X predicts AI quantum fusion by 2027, early bets, win big. Act now, don't miss the ride. $500 to $5,000, Microsoft's chip could do it. This is my financial journey, real wealth, real moves, real journey. Hit subscribe. Friday's next. See you then and thanks again for watching.